This video is all about for the lovers of Ogechi Okeke Njaka, according to Ezugo Ezugo Global TV. Because a lot of people are saying, na only a shot here, a question shot Ogechi, Mandana Sena shot Ogechi, Mandaya say, no worry Ogechi, Agua Muna Guadatana. Ogechi is Guinea has been granted bail. Yolago. Some of the bail times have been met. And I'm telling you guys to get to calm down and see that no Ogechi, but she will tell her story by herself. No one when in a Nigerian court here, or like he take a case as a name that kind of for example. If not na Mbolone kakao to grant to go ya bail. Mbolone. So I grant you my bail. Now I want to have some forces behind those bail that doesn't want you to meet your bail condition. And they are not willing to give up. I grant to go give bail in public, and they said, okay, go. My name was Ndigbo. The armed forces is not one behind the scene. That was why somebody made me video once. You know na oya come mako Ogechi pata welakia kwe ndi aka had in Ogechi. Because then there are some of the information that we are gathering that na ichoro ku usia na ono pata. Usia na ono pata ayase na ase. Online mother accused. But one thing is for sure, I told you people that na Nwanya Abuja is being frontlined. Kobuli yang wano niru, unu mana mba pelum but I show na tamade ego. Icho onye pekale na entire group so you can na abroad ego. Onye ziage everybody are rejoice here. So unu push Lonya ahead. So Nwanya Abuja is being pushed ahead by some powerful people. For some powerful people that want to subdue with pressure in order for Ogechi iku ihena merono, and for Ogechi to agree on something that she doesn't want to agree with. And they are not coming out openly to say that they are involved, but their actions behind the scenes speaks otherwise. I don't know if you're getting me. So because we had getting these videos the few days ago regarding the same topic. In the video no, can share like, can comment again and comment. Don't forget to like this video. Got the one.
Okay, this video for the lovers of and fans of Ogechi Okeke Njaka. A lot of people though concerned and troubled with Ife. Let me call them Umofeke because that is what they are. Go and sign surety. Ijowa, go and sign surety. Akuzayon, go and sign surety. Let me tell you, Ogechi has decided to give them work. Hana anyun se kafulu ne sufa. Hana anyun se kafulu ne sufa. Let me count it again for you because one thing more has added. From Ogechi cannot come back to Nigeria. Ogechi nada. And Ogechi arresting case. Yes, Ogechi is going to rot in jail. Or Potakwa. Or Pagarigidokwa. May arrest also. Ogechi is going to rot there. I join the Gido case. I join the Gido case. She's going to stay there for 10 years. A grant year there. Now, no, surety. Happen far, we have always dislodged them. I want you people to know that Ogechi is free, 100% free. We are always interested. We are silent operators. We don't make noise. We do the workings and they see the result. Why they do the talkings? If I everything that is happening is for the best interest of Ogechi. I cannot disclose more than this to you. But I want you to know that why they are always interested in permanent, in temporal celebration, we are always looking forward to permanent celebration. You know what I go? So when we celebrated the freedom of Ogechi, we celebrated the freedom of Ogechi for real. And I can assure you that Ogechi is free. Whatever thing that is happening now is for the best interest of Ogechi. Whatever thing that is happening right now is for the best interest of Ogechi. And all ka ahụrụ anyụrụ n'elu gbara ijijigharị. Ọ gbara ha gharị. Go. So each time they talk about bail condition Ogechi, laugh at them. Here. I can only tell you that surety is the least thing when it comes to Ogechi from a bail. I am telling you this for sure. I am telling you this for free. But whatever that thing that is happening now, Burienobi as the lover of Ogechi, that it is for the best interest of Ogechi. If we if any of us bothered about what is happening, no, that is because we have 100% knowledge of what is happening. And it is not a problem. Ogechi is free, and free she is. And Hannah saying surety, one of that there are more than 50 people who are always stand by to sign surety for Ogechi. It can be Ezugo, Awumonye, it can be me. How can it be me? N'etiti ikporo niile. Mana ofife na-agwa gị owo na ife na-emekịta is something that is going to be a permanent celebration for you and me. Mgbe ha ṅụrụ ebe ọnụ nọ na hapụfa ha na-agụ. Ha sịrị na ya grant na Ogechi bịara na Ogechi ya nọ eje resense bata na ya ebugharịgido kesi finally a grant ya bel ha agbagharịwa akwa maka surety. Ife na-eme for the best interest of Ogechi. And I want you to sleep, enjoy, have fun, marry, pop your wine, drink your wine. We have won. Victory is all ours, and the victory is there. Celebrate that victory as much as you can. Okarisia Wanyi will come out shortly to address you people. She will come out shortly to dance for you people. That is the kind of amu Ogechi amu. Right now, I can tell you, she is happy. She is celebrating. Why can't you celebrate? You gotta go. Okarisia Wanyi will come out with a bubeni to address you people. She will dance for you people. But I can tell you for sure, everything is good and still happened there. Lamentation chapter 1 verse 1. It is their duty and it is their job. We do the working, they do the talking. Have you not seen that the rate at which they are talking reduce go? But how come with few of them can be so shameless that they will continue to be talking? Even Ogechi made video kita. If I say, oh, let her go back to America. What she go back to America? If I say, yeah, no, let her come back to Nigeria. Are they ever going to stop? No, they cannot do. They can never stop. So we do what we have to do, and we allow them to do the talking. You gotta go. Etu aketo yeno. Ibeto mwelego. Man ibeto ada agba uno mwelego. All people yada kolo how rich and how wealthy ibeto do. So that is exactly what is happening na the part of Ogechi. Allow them to do the talking. But each time they talk about surety, laugh at them more than more Ogechi na mono toto. That is why it really easy that video. For the lovers of Ogechi, I assure you, everything is still. Freedom has been secured. You gotta go. And what we are doing is to make sure that that freedom is permanent. You gotta go. I still remain Ezugo. We are not bothered. You gotta go. We are on top. That's why we are the topic. Share this video.